Hi, Jeff DeMore here, Converter Accessory Corporation. Today I'm going to show you one of our trim removal systems. It's called FOX TrimAway FOX Runner System. It's a portable system that allows you to move it around your facility and use it in several applications if that's desired. This particular system is one of our largest systems. It uses our largest venturi and a 10 horsepower blower. The largest venturi is called the FX3 venturi. It has a 4-inch intake, so the size of these, where the trim comes into the system, is 4-inch diameter. This duct is all 4-inch diameter, and typically people edge trim 2 edges, so the 2 edges come into a Y, they get Y together, and they go into the venturi. That's our FX3 venturi, and on the discharge side of the venturi is 5-inch. The venturi is what creates the suction, so we actually use the pressure side of the blower. We blow air into the venturi. That's a 10 horsepower blower. We blow air into the venturi, and the venturi creates suction. The trim is fed straight through the venturi and can go either into a collection area, or this system has a chopper built into it, and this chopper will chop up the edge trim into pieces. And the advantage to doing that is the collection area where you send the trim will build up much more dense, so the collection area will have to be changed less frequently than if you didn't chop the edge trim. Coming out of the chopper, we have about 25 feet of 5-inch diameter flexible duct, and then we're looping into one of our simplest collection methods. It's just a bag that has a Velcro closure down the side. So once this fills up, you can open up the Velcro closure and dump it into a dumpster or whatever you want to. What I'm going to do at the end of this video is I'm going to open up that bag and show you what the pieces look like at the end. We have a couple of edge trims that we're going to run into this system, and they're coming off a little makeshift unwind stand. And then all I have to do is start the system up, and you'll see how it runs. So after feeding those 2 edge trims into the chopper, this is what the pieces look like. So they're varying. Chopper, we can't 100% predict how big the pieces will be, but generally these are the sizes you get. You might get some pieces that are that big to very small pieces as well. So that's CAC's portable trim removal system with chopper. Thank you.